welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, well, with this guy. So today's video is going to be a like weekly reset, how I get ready for the week. I don't really know what to call it, something like that. What do you think? You are just so weird, I can't. So we have some cleaning to do. We actually bought a rug for our like outside deck, patio, whatever you want to call that. So we're gonna set that up as well, and then we're gonna clean, and then when James is playing video games later, I'll show you guys what I do to actually prep for my work week, because I do a little bit of prep sometimes on Sundays. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show you guys the spaces that we're gonna be kind of tidying up and cleaning today, and then we're gonna get into it. Okay, so first up we have the kitchen, which isn't too bad, but obviously it's not how I want it to look, so we have to take care of that. We bought some stuff at Target, so we have to deal with that. Then we have the living room, which is mainly just folding the blankets, and of course Dixie is like bringing all her toys out. Do you want to play or something? You think we want to play with you right now? Do you think it's time to play? Then we have to just kind of make our bed and figure out what's going on here. I don't even know. And good news, guys, James is going back to work tomorrow, right?
Right.
Which is sad, but it's also good because it's like normal, you know, but also because I'll get my filming space back, and he's going to move all of his computers and cords and whatever, so I can have my area back, which is nice.
That's what you think. I'm keeping it.
All right, now I'm gonna show you guys the like deck area, and we're gonna set up the rug and everything out there. We bought a rug because our downstairs neighbor likes to smoke on his balcony, but also because like you can like look up and see people when they're sitting above you, and it makes me feel awkward when I'm out there because he's kind of creepy and he just like stares at you if you're outside, so I don't really like it. So I wanted to have like a rug underneath our chairs so we could go out and enjoy that, and also hopefully it'll like kind of make the smoke not like come right up to us. I don't know. I don't think it's really gonna work that well, but maybe it'll help a little bit because I don't really want to have to smell smoke while I'm out there trying to enjoy my life. So we're gonna just like put it right here underneath our chairs and our table, and then we can just enjoy the view.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
Okay, here's what it looks like, you guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. We tried to go with a neutral rug, and that was really like the best one they had at Target. All the other ones were like, they wouldn't have gone with our stuff. So we have this cute little candle and our table, which I just wiped off the other day, but it's starting to look yellow again from pollen, so that's fun. How do you feel about this little area?
It's nice.
I think the next update that we're gonna do is we're gonna put some, what is it, lattice?
Yeah.
Along here, because I can't let Dixie out here because I'm afraid that she'll like fall, because she does try to stick her head through there, and I don't think that she would ever fall. She's throwing her toy out here. You want to play? Is that what you want? Anyway, so we're gonna put some stuff up here just to make it Dixie proof, and I also want to like do some like lights, some lights up here. So I think that'd be really cute, and just a little cool little area to hang out until we get a house and have a backyard. Now it is time to actually clean and prep for the week. this is why we can't keep the apartment clean. What are you doing? Why do you need all of those toys out? Ma'am, can you please pick up the mess that you just made? Dixie, are you gonna clean your toys up? Yes, I know, you want me to kick gingerbread for you. Okay guys, now the bedroom is tidy. Obviously I'm not doing like a cleaning like I normally do where I wipe everything down or whatnot. This is just to get our apartment somewhat back to looking like, you know, we actually know how to keep the apartment tidy. So we're actually getting ready to play some games over the House Party app, which if you guys have been watching the past couple videos, I've mentioned it. We've been using that to play games with my family. So I think we're gonna play tonight. I don't know if we're gonna play Yahtzee or if we're gonna play Quicks or what we're playing tonight, but apparently they wanted to know if we were playing in a few minutes. So I think that's what we're gonna do. And then after that, I'm hoping that we can get in a nice walk around the neighborhood, not neighborhood, but like apartment neighborhood, basically, apartment complex, whatever. And so I can close all my rings. And then after that, James will play video games and I'll kind of show you the things that I do to prep for the week. Obviously I did not come in here and tidy my office, but I have a couple orders to package up tonight, so I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna show you guys how I plan out my week, and we're gonna print some orders because I had that. So it's kind of like a working vlog. I don't do this every Sunday. If I have quite a few orders, I'll try to like print them on Sunday night. If I have orders that need to go to the post office, I try to package them up so that way James can take them on his way to work on Monday. And I also just try to plan out, map out what I want to get done for the week. So I'm gonna show you guys that. So it is 9 o'clock. James is playing video games. I'm going to quickly package. I have some orders over there, as you can see. I just have to package them up, print the shipping label, get them ready to go for tomorrow. And then I do need to plan for this week. I have started planning, but I'm going to show you guys and kind of go into detail about like how I plan for the coming week. So I like to use my hourly, and I usually just use leftover stickers from whatever spread I used in my vertical the week before. So this was this current week, and I just used leftover stickers in here. I find that that just works for me, and I don't know, I don't feel like I get use out of all the stickers. So this was this week, and I kind of just did it like a rainbow theme of just like random stickers that I had. But this is the week coming up. So what I decided to do this week is up at the top, I'm putting all of my videos that are going live that day. So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are the videos that are going to go up on this channel. And then Tuesday, I'm doing my normal plan with me, I think. And then Thursday, I'm doing my monthly plan with me on my Sticky Situations Co. YouTube channel, which I will link in the description box for you guys because I know a lot of you guys haven't found it yet and you keep asking me about it. So I will link it there for you. And then I decided to put just an overall to-do list. So I have a lot going on this week. I need to get caught up on all my videos. I need to make sure I do all the $2 Tuesday stuff on top of keeping up with orders as they come in and working on my course. As you can see, I have like put my course stuff in here that I need to do. So yeah, lots of work ahead. But that is kind of how I plan out my week. And then, I know I've shown you guys this before. I'm still doing this because I like to have an even deeper to-do list where I like, you know, write out like I need to read my Bible, vitamins, workout, take Dixie on a walk, and then like, you know, get deep down into each exact thing that I want. Whereas like this is kind of just like an overview of like I need to design, but like what am I gonna design? Or like my course, like what am I gonna do for my course? You know what I mean? So I definitely do that, and I try to write down everything the day before for this one. Like sneak peek of course stuff here. So yeah, that is how I plan out my week and try to get it going. I'm gonna show you guys packaging up these orders, and then I'm gonna I'm gonna call it a day on this video. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up and leave in the comments below like what you do on Sundays to prepare for the week ahead, because I'd love to know. I really need to get like more organized with it. Like, this is just what I do, but I feel like I could be more, you know, more have it together, you know what I'm saying? So let me know in the comments below what you guys do. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you guys want to see more lifestyle videos, more behind the scenes of my sticker shop, more how to run a sticker shop, all of that stuff. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, and I will catch you guys in Wednesday's video. Bye guys.
Rock me.